here's our kidney. Oh, this is nasty.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's our kidney.
Sorry, pass it that way.
And the kidneys are below the level of the ribs, right? They sit way down here in the lower back, so they're the only protection for your kidneys are big brown fat pads. If your kidneys are encased in fat, give them a little bit of protection, but if you get a real hard kidney shot, you're going to be peeing blood for a while because your kidneys are so vascular. So here's the kidney again. Here's the ureter coming down. The ureter comes down to the urinary bladder, which is this. You can see where it comes right in here. And there's another one coming down from the other side, from the other kidney. The urinary bladder, and then the urethra coming out of the bladder, out of the body. You really can't see very much here, can you? Alright. The uterus on the cat. Well, that's half of the uterus. What about the other half? Maybe here's part of it. It's really hard to see on a pregnant cat, though. The uterus on the cat is a V-shaped uterus. And at the ends of each of the horns of the uterus are the ovaries. Okay, now on this one,
Is it one on each side?
this actually has a really nice, okay. This right here, this part right in here, this part right in here is the ovary, and this is the oviduct. And that all comes down into the uterus here at some point. Comes down to the uterus. So the eggs are, and you can see this on the human model. So this is the ovary, and this is the oviduct or the fallopian tube with little fimbriae, which are like little finger-like projections. And what happens is, as the egg is released from the ovary, the fimbriae sweep the egg into the fallopian tube. And then it goes down the fallopian tube, that's where fertilization happens, and then it goes down into the uterus, and that's where implantation occurs, obviously. This is called the broad ligament, this gooey stuff here, and this is the round ligament. What's left of the round ligament? I don't know why it's that color, but the purpose of those, and there's an ovarian ligament to this one up here, that just holds everything up in place, okay? Because you have to hold your uterus up and keep the ovaries up where they're supposed to be so nothing gets all crimped. Okay? Again, it's a little hard to see in this one because she's a little nasty here. And I actually have no idea. They just cut the whole rest. So these are the two horns. The whole rest of this one's cut off. So that comes down here where the two horns connect is the body of the uterus right there. And that leads down to things that you can't see. Down in here, the vagina, and the rest of the female anatomy, which you're going to have to look at the human model for. Okay, so we'll go and look at that in a minute. Okay? That's about all you're going to see on that thing. Make sure you look at the male cat to see if